Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm heading up about 40 miles to pick up a 1965 Pontiac Grand Prix. I have already seen this car. It's a project for sure. It looks horrible. It's covered with patina, but the body seems reasonably solid except for a couple places on the lower fender and maybe in one quarter. It's a car that came out of California and then Oregon and is now in Florida. It is going to need just about everything, but it does start and run, so we're going to go pick it up today. So there it is, 1965 Pontiac Grand Prix, right by a 66 Chevy.
No choke, whole motor.
Almost.
Yes, get it going.
So we're moving the Pontiac again. Had it at the mechanic shop for about 6 weeks or so. He did a lot of work on it, tried to get it running good, put new points and plugs and plug wires, a new starter, adjusted the carburetor, put a new master cylinder on it, and did a number of other things. But you know, it's running okay, but it's not running great. We also had to do the ignition switch and key, which the car didn't have a key when I got it, so we had to have that fixed. And now it'll start with the key and idle, and it's running a lot better, but it's still not running perfect. but unfortunately we went to replace the windshield. We had a mobile windshield guy coming out, and so we took all the trim off the windshield, and we're getting ready for that, and discovered that there was a lot of rust right where the windshield sits, not necessarily in the cowl, but the piece at the top of the cowl where the windshield sits was bad. So now transporting it to the body shop, where they're gonna cut that out and weld in some new steel, and then we're gonna evaluate things once we get that and the new windshield in, and see where we are. The overall body of the car and underneath the car is not bad. It has a little bit of rust in one quarter and a little patch of missing car in one quarter, and then the front left fender is not great. But I found one of those, so I'm gonna be heading up to North Florida to pick that up pretty soon. So I don't think it's going to be a real tough paint job. It's just getting this area by the cowl fixed. That's the priority right now, and then getting the new windshield in.